Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Magic Capsule on the Honor X6e and explain what this feature actually does. If you've noticed the small dynamic capsule at the top of your screen but aren't sure how it works, this guide is for you. We'll go through everything step by step, how to enable Magic Capsule if it's available on your device, which apps and system features support it, and how to interact with it to see live information, control ongoing tasks, and quickly jump back into your apps. Magic Capsule supports only certain system functions, such as the timer, voice recorder, media playback, and other compatible services.